Question number 1. Washing soda is the common name of? Answer is sodium carbonate. Question number 2. The chemical name of laughing gas is? Answer is nitrous oxide. Question number 3. The cell discovered by? Answer is Robert Hooke in 1665. Question number 4. The nucleus is discovered by? Answer is Robert Brown in 1831. Question number 5. The microscope was discovered by? Answer is Galileo in 1610. Question number 6. Ball pen invented by? Answer is American scientist Jan Lode in 1888. Question number 7. Mercury is also known as? Answer is quicksilver. Question number 8. How many legs do butterflies have? Answer is 6 legs and 2 pair of wings. Question number 9. The heart of a normal adult human being weighs about? Answer is 300 grams. Question number 10. What is the average adult pulse rate? Answer is 72 to 80. Question number 11. The cow's milk contains how much amount of water in terms of percentage? Answer is 80%. Question number 12. Instrument to detect the purity of milk is? Answer is lactometer. Question number 13. Radioactivity was first discovered by? Answer is Madame Curie. Question number 14. Which gas is commonly used in balloons and airships? Answer is hydrogen. Question number 15. Which gas is used in the preparation of soft drinks? Answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 16. In blood, the percentage of water is? Answer is 90%. Question number 17. The volume percentage of nitrogen in air is? Answer is 78%. Question number 18. Air contains volume of carbon dioxide? Answer is 0.03%. Question number 19. For water purification we use? Answer is chlorine. Question number 20. The human blood is divided into how many groups? Answer is 4 groups. Question number 21. A man can survive without food for how many days? Answer is for 30 days. Question number 22. The muscles, tissues, and blood all are made up of? Answer is proteins. Question number 23. What does make the blood look red? Answer is hemoglobin. Question number 24. The acid used in a car battery is? Answer is sulfuric acid. Question number 25. The major part of natural gas, petroleum and coal consist of. Answer is methane. Question number 26. The speed of sound is. Answer is 340 meters per second. Question number 27. During sleep a man's blood pressure. Answer is fluctuates. Question number 28. The smallest plants on the earth are. Answer is algae. Question number 29. Who invented the polio vaccine, oral? Answer is Albert Sabin. Question number 30. Total volume of blood in a normal human being. Answer is 5 to 6 liters.